Hey everybody, Shu here. Waiting for April, but we're going to head out to the Egg Harbor Township Nature Reserve, one of my favorite local little areas. And we're going to go see what it looks like after we had a winter storm hit us here in South Jersey. But this place, weird temperature changes. We went from like freezing cold, single digits, like 16 inches of snow, to a couple of days later it got into the like 50s and 60s. So we went from heavy snow, to really warm. So all the snow, or most of the snow, melted away and everything else. And then here's the temperatures dropping back down to 15, 16 degrees. That's why I got this nice warm thing on for. But we're going to go out there, we're going to see what it looks like and see if there's any snow left, see if the water is iced up. So as soon as April gets out here, we're going to head out there and see what it looks like. So stay tuned and stand by. It is a blistering 20 degrees here today. We're at the Egg Harbor Township Nature Reserve. So let's see what we can find here. Less than a week ago, what you see behind me, this was all nothing but sledders sledding down this hill, and all this out here was nothing but people ice skating. Now it's just a little hill and water, a little bit of ice on it. It's amazing how fast ice can melt here. That's the temperature changes that we have here in South Jersey. Over there is the sledding area that we were at when we first got here. August 21st, 2016, it got up to that high. Wow. Pretty impressive. makes you wonder, how could something so big, so heavy, get out here? Way out here. It's solid concrete. That is a good long distance from land, any way you look at it. It ain't just gonna roll, even though it is round. It just ain't gonna roll this far out. One of them UFO mysteries or something. I don't know. But it's pretty cool. There you have it. The Egg Harbor Township Nature Reserve during the wintertime. Or at least during the blistering 20 degrees. New Jersey Indian summer. So we're gonna go ahead and see what else we can do today. So until next time, remember, comment, thumbs up always helps. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Right next to the subscribe button, hit the little bell for notifications. And as always, hope to see you in the next one. So until next time.